Hi everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. As I have told you that I am going to come live on Unacademy platform. So it went well, and from 23rd I am going to start. Okay, and the timing is going to 7:30 p.m. This timing I have chosen. Okay, now I want that you people also comment some timing that this timing is preferable for you, and everyone please comment. And the comment which I will get more likes means more number of people wants on that timing. So from next onward I am going to take that time. Okay, and even you can decide some duration that in a day you want 4-hour lectures, 3-hour lectures, so that it will go fine. And I want that most of the people attend my live lecture. Okay, why? Because if it is going to be live and you will come live, then it is advantage. It's going to have a discipline. It is going to create a discipline that from 8 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. I'm going to teach. You will come. Okay. So daily rituals is going to make. Okay, means daily you will come at 7:30. You will study. You know that this topic will get covered. Like this, it is going to create a very good discipline. And even if you are having any doubt, if you are facing any difficulties, you are having any doubt, at that time only instant doubt clearing will be happen. Okay, so you know no need to wait. So that's why I want that you should come to my live class. Okay, you should come to my live class, and this is from 7:30 I am going to take. And since from this month I am going to start, so I am going to start from TOC. Next month onward I will start algorithm. But as I told you that if I will start this month, then theory of computation I will start. And while deciding timing, I will suggest that you think that this timing is good, you can come. Because what happened that with excitement, with high joes, what we will do, we decide that sir, in a day 8 hour I can study. But think means by taking all the circumstances whether you will able to come or not. Okay, then you comment. And now medium is going to be basic English. But if you are having any doubt, you are facing difficulties that sir मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, आप हिंदी में कमेंट करेंगे, मैं आपको आंसर हिंदी में दूंगा. So based on your comment, if you ask me in Hindi, I will answer. So basic English is required for GATE. It is an aptitude. So I am going to teach in English only, but Hindi also I will use. Okay, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in Hindi. I will answer it. ठीक है? So आपको कोई भी, क्योंकि मुझे हम लोग को concept समझना है. So here we are to learn the concept, not to learn English. Okay, so you can ask me in Hindi, I will answer in Hindi. But I know that we are engineers, we know basic English. Okay, so it's language, I don't think that it is going to be any constraint. So even if you are having any difficulties, you can ask me in Hindi, I will give you answer in Hindi. Now how I will teach? I will teach all the topics of GATE syllabus. Then first I will complete some topic, then I will take all the last 30 years questions of that topic, then PhD questions. Everything I am going to cover. So if you watch my all the lectures of TOC and whatever subject I am going to teach in Unacademy platform, I can guarantee that you will able to answer at least 80% of questions. And if you watch very nicely, then I can say that you are going to answer all the questions. But it's up to you. You have to work hard. Okay. So all the best, all of you. So please come on 23rd 09 means 23rd September from 7:30 we are going to start. Thank you.